Shayla, Aaliyah, please don't copyright me, yeah. This is crazy. What is up, guys? It's your girl Shaylaaaliyah, aka Simba the Lion Queen, and I am back with another video. So, today is May 19th. It's currently 2:40 p.m. and it is the day before I am getting locks. So, tomorrow I will be doing the comb coil method and I'll be getting locks. This was like a very impulsive decision. It's just since this whole coronavirus thing happened, I have not been taking care of my hair. I don't know if this is happening to other people, so yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's usually like hair. It's not like that bad because I have it right here too, but this part thinned out a little, and then I also have a spot on my scalp, and it's just, it came out of nowhere. It might be stress induced. It might be I was allergic to braiding hair that I had last time, because my mom personally told me, like, before I even started getting stuff like that into my hair, box braids are not for my hair. Box braids and any type of weight on my hair that's like not like my actual hair's weight isn't good for my hair at all. And my mom advised me that, and I still went and was getting box braids, twists. I was still getting box braids, twists, like protective styles, and they are not really for my hair because my hair is too fine and it breaks my hair off. So I don't know if that was possibly the reason why my hair is starting to thin out and bald a little, but yeah. So I'm gonna just get locks and grow my hair out a little bit and leave it alone, because this is like a perfect way to do that. So I was just like, why not get locks? Like, people already are like, oh, you're Jamaican, you don't have dreads, so I'm just gonna get locks. So I'm kind of like, I'm not nervous. I'm kind of happy I'm doing it now instead of waiting during the summer, because then when it's school time, I won't have that ugly stage going on, hopefully, cross my fingers. But yeah, so I'm just happy that I'm doing it right now rather than waiting, because I always did say I wanted to get locks. I just didn't know when that was gonna happen. Plus, this is the perfect time because I am in college, so I can test out different things with my hair and not get, I don't want to say judged, but you know what I mean. Like, I could do different things with my hair and not have repercussions for it. I will be getting my hair done tomorrow. This is me just checking in. As you guys can see, I have color in my hair. This isn't my normal curl pattern. The thing is, yesterday I took a shower and my hair was wet when I got out the shower, and I was just like, I'm about to go to bed, so I just put it in plaits. So that's why it looks like this. It's not damaged or anything. It's just, it wasn't like a whole bunch of braids. I just put it into 4 plaits and then I woke up and I took it out. So yeah, I guess I'll just check in with you guys tomorrow. So alright guys, so this is actually the day after I got my hair locked, or I should say locked, but comb coiled. And as you can see, my hair is like, it's soft, so it's holding up, but I don't know. So basically, summer ends like, alright, let me just tell you guys, okay? So like I said before, I did the comb coil method. Well, I didn't do it, but my hairstylist did the comb coil method, and I wouldn't call her a loctician. She's more like just a hairstylist, because she's done multiple people's hair. Like, she started off doing locks, but she does everything, so she's not just dedicated to straight locks, but she knows what she's talking about for the most part. So I was just like, okay, this is what I'm gonna go to, this is what I'm gonna do it, because she's done my hair for a couple years now and she's done a great job every single time. So I was just like, why not? So we did the comb coil method. I feel like it took like 2 hours, because since, like I said, she's been doing my hair for a couple years, we stopped, we talked, we took breaks. Yeah, have square parting system, and she advised me not to wash my hair for like a month. She really didn't want me to wash my hair for like a month and a half, and I think I could do it, because my problem is I locked my hair. I'm locking my hair I locked my hair 20th yesterday, because today's the 21st, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in like 7 weeks, about 7 weeks, I'll be having to go to my grandfather's birthday party that we have every year. Basically, I want to have a fresh look on top at my roots when it's time for this party. So it's just like, I know you want me to wait like a month, 2 months, but I can't, because I'm gonna retwist my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna end up washing my hair like probably like a day or two before his birthday, because I'm gonna be retwisting it myself. And that brings me to retwisting. So she told me that I shouldn't retwist my hair like every week. Like, obviously you shouldn't, because that's gonna pull on your roots and it's just not gonna be good, and then your locks are gonna be thin at top, and once they keep going thinner and thinner and thinner, it's just gonna break off. So that's not good at all. So basically she advised me to self retwist my hair, like just, you know, like a little twist, probably like every 3 to 4 weeks. And then once I want like a very good, like clean, like go over my parts, like very, very crisp looking, like on my parts up here, then I could get a retwist by her, so then it will look great, and then I won't have damage from retwisting my hair like every single day. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm also gonna be probably washing my hair like every, I don't know, like I had to go along with this to figure out when I'm gonna be washing my hair. But I know I'm not gonna wash my hair as much as I used to, because, you know, when you have curly hair, I don't want to say washing, but I would co-wash a couple times. So I would like probably wash my hair 1 week and then co-wash the next week, and co-wash. So I'm gonna see. We didn't put that many like products in my hair either. She actually had a mix for my hair ready, and it had the Jamaican mango and lime blue cool ice lock gel. It had the sulfur 8, it had raw shea butter, and then it had the island oil and the Africa's best growth oil. So basically I have like a little concoction that she told me that I should make for my hair, that was recommended to her by someone from the islands. And to be honest, the little concoction made my hair go like this. And if you know how my curls were, like if you look at my videos, I have 3C curls. Like I put up a picture right here. I have 3C curls, and it was able to look like this. So I feel like my hair will lock fast, especially since she was able to get it to look like this. Like, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys my favorite one, because I was just looking at it like, is that a lock? Let me stop. So this one is like so perfect. So I feel like since she was able to know, like since she has soft hair like mine, like it's not exactly like mine, but since she dealt with soft hair, she's done the research before and she knows how to make my hair lock. So she gave me some tips, some advice, and I'm gonna just follow it, because this looks pretty good for starter locks for somebody with my hair texture. The only thing is, so back here when she was putting a little concoction in, this is like a curl, like it's a coil now, but like you see the end is like a curl. So most of my ends are curls. So what we did was we did the comb coils, and afterwards she trimmed the ends so then it doesn't like unravel from the ends, because as you can see right here, this one's kind of curled too. And I don't mind having curls at the end. Like I want them at the end, but I would like for my hair to lock fast. So I want my hair to lock by, look at this one. This one's all bent because I slept on it probably. This one's all bent. I want my hair to lock fast before I get back into school, so in that way, you know, I don't have like this little, this isn't even an ugly stage, because she was like, I'm not gonna have an ugly stage because I'm not gonna have like little comb coils, but like it's kind of my ugly stage, so I want to get over this by school and hopefully have some growth, so then, you know, I can have some budding going on. Like, that's my goal by September. Have some budding in some locks. Hopefully some are already locked, because I know the back ones probably will lock faster, because they seem like the ones that will lock faster. And have some budding, have a couple locks, and have some growth. For right now, how I sleep is I put on a scarf, only because my hair is freshly twisted. If it wasn't, she said that it doesn't really matter. Like, after it's twisted, like after like about a week, I could just stop using a scarf. I'm just like, okay. I feel like that's it. And then on my scalp, she just used the Blue Glue medicated sulfur 8, and then Africa's Best growth oil. So we're just trying to have some growth from my locks. Then I guess this is gonna be the start of my lock journey. This is gonna be very interesting, and we're gonna see. So I guess I'll check in every 4 weeks. Every 4 weeks, or if I see budding, I'll just pick up the camera and I'll let you guys know what's going on, how my hair is doing, yada yada yada. But I just wanted to show you guys this before. For week 4, we'll have an after. Another thing is, I'm not wetting it at all. Like, I'm just leaving it be for right now. So yeah, this one right here is really bothering me, but I can't do anything about it. It's okay though. Yeah, so this is my set of locks on my 3C hair, and we're gonna see what this ends up being. I love it. I think this is interesting and this is gonna be fun. So if you guys have soft, mixed, curly hair, like looser curls, then you might see on YouTube, because I personally cannot find people with my type of curls or my texture. Here you go. Okay, so yeah, I'll just see you guys next time. I'm out.